Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the findIndex function of an array. So findIndex function is just similar to find function where we can get the element from the array. This findIndex will find the index at which that particular element is available. So let's take one example over here. We are taking one array over here which have few numbers over here, and let's take one constant found variable equals to array dot find index, and here you can see that find index says that it returns the index of the first element in the array where predicate is true and -1 otherwise. So whatever the function that we are going to pass over here, according to it, it will find the first element and it will return that index. So let's add one function over here. We'll use the arrow function, and that value should be greater than 10. So this is just a simple function that we have created in the find index where it is checking the first value which is greater than 10. Okay, and let's print this console.log found over here. And if you run this over here, you can see that we are getting the 2 index. So at the second position, that is 0, 1 and 2, 12. 12 is the first value which is greater than 12. So we are getting the index of it. If we give the other value like first value greater than 20, it will give accordingly, that is 4, that is 23. And if we give 30, which is no value available inside this particular array, we should be getting -1. So this way we can use the findIndex method to get the index of the first occurrence element in an array. So that's all in this quick video for findIndex function in an array. I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.